So today we are going to demonstrate about
Assisting client in breastfeeding. First thing first,
is we are going to perform hand washing and allow mother to perform hand washing as well.
so make sure the mother is sitting in a comfortable position and well rested or well supported at the back.
But it's baby's
Oh, do I perform?
baby's shoulder, baby's body and shoulder are well supported by mother's arm. The mother's arm.
Baby's head should be at the breast level.
Position the baby on her side, so she is directly facing her, with her belly touching yours.
Prop up the baby with a pillow if necessary. So let's assume that we're going to use a pillow. And hold her up onto the breast, but do not lean or don't lean over toward her. So
Place mother's thumb and fingers around the areola
okay.
and perform rooting reflex.
So assuming that the rooting reflex has already been performed, so tilt the baby's head back slightly. Slightly and tickle the baby's lips with the mother's nipple until the baby is until the baby opens her mouth wide.
Okay. So help the baby scoop the breast into her mouth by placing the lower jaw on first, well below the nipple.
And then tilt her head forward, placing the upper jaw deeply on the breast, and make sure that the baby she takes the entire nipple and she takes the entire nipple and 1 1/2 inches of the areola in her mouth. So nagtutoy na ba?
I like the idea para safe din is nakatasya.